Okay, so let's have a look at reading words with hyphens. So when some words are meant to be read all together. So we can have multiple words with a hyphen in between it. But what does that mean? It means it has to be read and said all at once, like a single mouthful. Words that need to be said all at once depending on the context or the speaker. So we could say, I am ready to go, ready to go. Or, Mr. Ready to go? Oh really, you're ready to go? Really? Maybe in a sarcastic kind of way, or a joking, or a serious way. Ready to go? Oh really, you're ready to go? See, it's said all at once, as opposed to ready to go. It's ready to go? Ready to go? Mr. Ready to go? Or Mr. Know-it-all here. I know it all. Oh, Mr. Know-it-all. Mr. Know-it-all. Okay. Or we could say, not so early this time. Not so early this time. Today. Not so early this time. Or he wants to start not so early this time. All right, if he says so. Okay. Not so early this time. I see what you're doing. Okay, all right. Mr. Not so early this time. Okay. Okay. Not so early this time. I'll call it that. So words that are said together, kind of maybe in a joking way or a sarcastic kind of way. So like know-it-all. All right, Mr. Know-it-all. Okay, calm down, Mr. Know-it-all. Mr. Know-it-all. Know it all. Okay, Mr. Know-it-all. Okay, Mr. Other phrases like Father knows best. Okay, Mr. Father knows best. All right, Father knows best. Yeah, possible. So it's a phrase, different words, add them together, depending on the context and the speaker. How cool is that? So some words are meant to be read together. Reading words with hyphens. How cool is that? Aren't I a Mr. Know-it-all? How cool is that, Language Explorers?